Hey everyone, welcome to Westanime tutorials that we can learn more about the basics. We are going to learn more about improper fractions and mixed numbers. Fractions are numbers that express how many parts of a whole. The number on top we call it the numerator, and the number below we call it a denominator. There are three main types of fractions: proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed numbers. Improper fractions is when the numerator is larger than the denominator. Mixed numbers is when a whole number is combined with a proper fractions. Improper fractions and mixed numbers are closely related. So how do you convert an improper fraction to a mixed number? First, you divide the numerator with the denominator of an improper fraction. The answer you get is the whole number of the mixed number, and the remainder is the numerator. The denominator does not change. Let's look at one example. Say we want to convert 23/5 into a mixed number. So we divide 23 with 5, you get 4, remainder 3. 4 will be the whole number of the mixed number, 3 will be the numerator, and over 5. So the answer is 4 3/5. Let's try and convert 14/7. 14 divided by 7 is exactly 2. So there is no remainder, so therefore there is no fraction. So the answer is just only 2. Let's try to do the other way round by converting a mixed number to an improper fraction. First, you multiply the whole number with the denominator and then add the numerator to get your new numerator of the improper fraction. The denominator does not change. Here's how it looks like to understand it better. The whole number is multiplied with the denominator, then add with the numerator to get your answer, over the denominator that does not change. Let's see how it works. Say we want to convert 2 3/5 into an improper fraction. So first, 5 times 2 plus 3 is over 5. The answer you get is 13 over 5. Let's try to test yourselves. Convert the improper fraction to a mixed number and the mixed numbers to the improper fractions. Let's try it. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share our video, and subscribe for more videos to come.